I will show you how to use AllBridge Bridge XRUNE from Terra to Fantom to deposit on Thorstarter Forge. I have XRUNE on Terra chain. However, currently Thorstarter Forge is only supported in Fantom. Yields will be significantly higher than vXRUNE and will not require minting of any additional token. Forge generates high yield for XRUNE stakers who lock up their tokens longer term. Forge yields will be further boosted the longer users opt to lock up tokens, and the more they lock up. However, users who remove their tokens early will face a fee which goes to those users who hold. First, you need to withdraw XRUNE from app.thorstarter.org/tiers. I connect my Terra Station wallet. I see I have previously deposited 2,500 XRUNE tokens. I click Withdraw button to withdraw from Thorstarter tiers. I pay little less than 20 cents in USD fees. After that, XRUNEs are in my Terra Station wallet. You can see XRUNE on your Terra Station wallet balance next to Luna and UST, if you have any UST. Secondly, go to app.allbridge.io to start the bridging. Select from chain as Terra and to chain as Fantom Opera. AllBridge supports bridging from Aurora, Avalanche, BNB Chain, Celo, Ethereum, Fuse, Harmony, Wobi Eco Chain, Near, Polygon, and Solana. ABR is AllBridge native tokens. It is supported from any chain to any chain mentioned above. Bridge fees are minimum of 50 cents or 0.3% of assets. If you want to swap large amount of money, I recommend using multi-chain because ETH to any chain there is no fees. Other side chains have little fees. After you connect the Terra Station wallet to the AllBridge website. Currently from Terra to Fantom Bridge, the supported tokens are XRUNE and ABR. Select the amount you're going to bridge. In my case, I want to bridge 2,500 XRUNE equivalent for Tier 1 on Thorstarter eligibility. For the address to send your assets, to copy your Fantom address on MetaMask. It is the top level address on Fantom chain of MetaMask. Paste it here. In my case, I am paying 2,500 by 0.003 equals 7.5 XRUNE as fee. That is the 0.3% of underlying bridging asset. You can reduce fees further if you have ABR staked. I am not going to worry about it now. Click Send. Enter your Terra Station wallet to confirm the bridge. I am paying 0.138 UST or $0.138 as fees. Click Post. Wait for 5 confirmation to complete. In Terra block, this is less than 30 seconds of wait time. Final step is connect your Fantom MetaMask wallet and claim your bridge funds. Click Connect Wallet and connect your MetaMask Fantom wallet. Click Receive. Pay 0.13 FTM in gas to claim it in Fantom blockchain. I have multiple time failed to claim because I did not pay enough FTM gas fees because Fantom was high in gas fee at the time of the shooting of this video. After funds appear on MetaMask wallet, click Add XRUNE to the MetaMask wallet. You will able to see the XRUNE appearing on MetaMask Fantom wallet. This complete the bridging on allbridge.io. Thirdly, I need to be able to participate on upcoming ETO on Thorstarter platform. Since I only received 2,492.5 XRUNE, not the required 2,500 XRUNE, I am short by 7.5 XRUNE. So I am going to go to SpookySwap to buy 7.5 XRUNE to make it 2,500 XRUNE. I end up buying 30 XRUNE from SpookySwap using USDC that I have on my account. I have to pay gas in Fantom. I use Fantom gas tracker to make sure I do not pay too much on FTM gas. Finally, I am going to deposit on Thorstarter Forge XRUNE for staking and ETO participation. For that, I need to go to thorstarter.org/forge and deposit XRUNE to Forge wallets. I need to deposit 2,500 XRUNE into Thorstarter Forge. Forge, you can decide how long you're going to lock your XRUNE. I decided to lock mine for 300 days to get nearly maximum APY on Forge. Currently Forge APR is 56.6%. You can use the calculator to see what your returns based on number of ETO sales and ROI per sale. The entire reason I decided to pull XRUNE from tiers and deposit to Forge is because my XRUNE on tiers in Terra blockchain was not appreciating in quantity. XRUNE when I bought was around 60 cents, now it is only 15 cents. The 15-cent price is because we are in a bear market. I am not planning on selling my XRUNE anytime soon. I want number of my XRUNEs to appreciate over the next 300 days or so. If you enjoy this Thorstarter Forge staking and ETO participation video, please subscribe and hit the like button, show some love. Happy crypto!